How to make app icons black and white on iOS 18. Let's get started. Want to give your iPhone a sleek black and white look by making your app icons monochrome? Here is a step-by-step guide on how to do it on iOS 18. Press and hold on anywhere on the screen. With that, you have just enabled editing mode. Now click on the option of edit given at the top left corner. Different options will pop up. Click on the option customize. Now, here you're gonna find different options as light, dark, automatic, and tinted. Click on the option of dark. With that, the app icons will be converted into dark mode. You can see that. Likewise, you can click on the option of tinted and then customize it by yourself. You can use these sliders. Just scroll to the right and left and choose your app icon colors according to your choice. So, this way you can easily give your iPhone black and white look. Now you can have a look. App icons are in the black and white color. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.